Hello everyone. This is for all the newcomers. You know, I have done this video so many times. So I'm going to do it one last time for all the newcomers to know what this is about, okay? So 7 months ago, I talked about this, Silky Cola. Yes, and the video went viral and we had to rebrand and change the name because of too much copy, imitation, and copycats and fake. So I didn't want to associate myself with all that, so I just rebranded. So we now call it Silky Cola with like an Ningi. Okay, so I'm going to repeat exactly what I said in that first video that went viral, that made it what it is today, so that you, the newcomers, will just have a summary and know what this is about. Okay, Silky Cola with like an Ningi. What it does, can you see how slimy it is? Can you see that? Can you see how slimy, silky, slippery? Can you see? I hope you guys can see. I'm sorry I'm using my phone. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is a nice view. I'm sorry I'm using my phone for this. Can you see this? You can see it, right? Clearly, look how slimy and slippery, like luxurious pussy juice. Can you see? So what it does is it glues the dick into the vagina. No matter how many rounds your man goes, you will not get dry. I'm sorry I'm using my phone for this video. I'm supposed to be using my Canon, but I'm lazy. Yes, lazy and tired. Look at how slimy it is. So I hope you guys can see the slime clearly, because it's always better with the Canon, but this is it. Okay, so yeah, you can see normally when it comes with segments, lines and segments like that. So you have to open it and pull it apart. You just put your teeth, and you pull one out. Okay, so when you pull one out, these are the seeds. Can you see them? You remove the seeds. You can see I'm removing the seeds. Can you see? I'm removing the seeds. So for example, this one I have removed all the seeds. Do you understand? This one too has 2 seeds, so you remove the seeds. All right? Yeah. So when you remove the seeds, you put it in your mouth like this hole. You put the front, the back, the middle, everything. You put it in your mouth and you chew and you chew and you chew and you chew. It's very silky and slippery and slimy in your mouth. It draws and it's sweet, like honey. Like honey, like dates, dabino. That's how it tastes, So exactly what you see, can you see? It's even, see, look, it's holding on to my hands. Exactly what you see, what you just saw, that's exactly what it does to the vagina. Okay, no matter how many rounds your man goes, you will not get dry. And then it glues the dick into the vagina. So what we did to it is Lak and Ningi, right? Lak and Ningi is Ningi is a place in Bauchi State, is a village in Bauchi State, and in the village they call them Mutanan Siri, Baba Asiri. So if you, it's reverse psychology, Baba Asiri means, Asiri in Hausa means magic, or jazz, or whatever, that kind of thing. So they call them Mutanen Siri, Baba Asiri, reverse psychology, which means the Siri people, the magic people. But they say Baba Asiri is like, Habaichi, like trying to tell them something, twisted, you know what I mean? So what we did is Lak and Ningi, we did it because so many women talk about how their men are cheating and sleeping around, or they give more money to the side chicks instead of you, the wife, at home. So what we did is, so that his attention can come back home, the cheating will reduce and things like that. I'm not saying that he's going to stop cheating completely, because I don't praise my products and I don't make mouth for my products. I'll be like, take it, try it, and you come back and tell me what you saw. So I'm not saying he'll stop cheating completely, but he's going to reduce drastically. It's been 7 months since all of this. You, the newcomers, have already seen it when it was big. Now that it's big, but when I started, I started small. I was doing it in a nylon, normal nylon, tying it in nylon. Now we have the packaging, the paper bags, and everything. Glory be to God. We thank God. Yeah. So it started small. It wasn't like this. Please, when you start seeing results for your Lak and everything, behave, be nice, okay? Don't be like, yeah, I got the magic wand so I can do whatever I want, because if you use it wrong, it's going to backfire to the people that did it, okay? Please, we're always giving warning, so be nice and don't do that. And what I said in that video, I was like, I wasn't going to give it to single girls because of all the damages single girls cause to married women and all the pain and everything. So this is something for like the married women to get their husband's attention back home more. So that's what I said. I said I wasn't going to give it to single girls, but then single girls were like, oh, Jeremiah is against us. After all, she might herself, she was this, she was that, you know, all the talk, So single girls in serious relationships, yes, can have it, but you know, I don't want you to be using it to now hurt another person. Yes, that's the word, to hurt another person. I also said I didn't want to give it to two wives marrying the same man, because who am I going to be loyal to? I can't be fixing you up and upgrading your pussy, making you 5-star, 6-star, 7-star, and then I'm also doing for your husband's other wife. So who are you going to trust and who are you going to be with? When this thing started, you know, I was honest about it. It was even like a thing of mockery for me, because people were like, upon all the Dubai, upon all the 6 million underwater suites per night and everything, she's now selling cola nuts. Do you understand? So people were mocking me. It was a thing of mockery and laughter. And when God says yes, when God said yes, and it was now accepted and it blew, it went viral, everybody wanted it, everybody was looking for me, and now they want to do it too, now they want to copy me, everybody will say they're selling it. Oh, I have luck and in Niger, I have luck and in Cameroon, I have luck and in South Africa. So you have to be very, very careful not to buy fake or imitation or copy, because now everybody wants to do it. You know, with that thing that they were laughing at you before, that it was like a thing of mockery. Do you understand? Now that it has blown and it's success, now everybody wants to do it too. So be careful, yeah, not to buy fake and imitation and copy. The first video you're going to see about this is me, and this new video after 7 months is still me. So what we did is we extracted, you know, this silky juice you can see. We now extracted the juice for those who don't want to chew, and we made it the Jaruma's honey syrup, silky cola milk and a ningi honey syrup. Okay, so Jessica, is the video, is it okay? All right, so we made it into the honey syrup, silky cola